Hey guys, Brian with SoCo Customs here. We're gonna run back to Josh's office because I hear we have something special going on today. Wake up.
What are you doing? Can't you see I'm working here?
What we got going on today?
Dude, we got something special for you and for you, Brandon Combs. Hey buddy, so we have got really something special going on here. We're doing a really cool build for one of my really close friends. So that we're doing something a little bit different for you guys, but I'm super excited about what we're gonna do. Let's go check it out. Oh, you're coming with me. Teaser pleaser, SoCo Customs. So anyway, here's what we got. Boom, my buddy's truck. Sick Sierra GMC. He just picked us up from our friends down at Alpine's GMC South. And so during COVID, that bloody word, COVID-19, should call it COVID-20. It doesn't make any sense. But anyway, during COVID, this man right here helped SoCo Customs in huge ways. Not going to get in specifics. Brandon, you know what you did, and I really appreciate it. We are really building this truck out of our hearts. We're gonna put everything we got into this. Not like we don't do that in every build, but this one's just a little bit more special. So he picked this truck up, pretty stock, you know. He actually traded in his Jeep Wrangler. And so, you know, he kind of liked that off-road look, but now he's in a truck. He wants the SoCo sauce. So we're gonna give it to him, full bore SoCo sauce. What do you think about that, Brian?
Yeah, all the sauce.
All the sauce. Okay, so what we have planned here, folks, is it not to look like this, obviously. So we are going to put a sweet lift kit on it for him. He's picked out some wheels. We got him in the Kinder Cleavers because nothing but the best for, you know, our special people. Kinder Cleavers. You've never heard that through SoCo before. I swear. I swear we better get some royalties for this crap. Anyway, so kind of a deal what he doesn't know is happening is that he wanted a lift kit, he wanted tires, he wanted all the fun stuff, but we're actually going to do a performance package for him. We're going to do the Stage 3 SoCo Customs performance package, which includes the cold air intake, the dual exhaust, and the performance programmer. So he's gonna have a little more pep in his step, if you know what I'm saying. So anyway, let's walk around the side of this truck here. We're gonna talk about what we're gonna do. We're gonna debadge this sucker because we had this black. I'll tell you what, it looks really good. We're gonna leave the 4x4. I think that's gonna be a nice touch. Set it up on that 3.5-inch kit, which is one of my favorites. Really practical, but still has a great look to it and allows us to get a pretty decent offset on these. We're gonna get rid of that front fairing, the good old, save maybe. I mean, how much gas do you think that saves people, Brian? Why do they do that? A gallon a year? Oh shoot, man. I know what I can do with $3.23. How about you? Come on down, yeah, make it, as Brian says, make it sprinkle. Come on down to SoCo Customs. We'll spend that $3.23 real quick for you. Just kidding. And now, a word from our sponsors. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna do some debadging. I actually got on GM's website. We got the black and chrome front emblems, tailgate emblems. So that's gonna be nice. That's gonna be the only markings on his truck other than the 4x4. So really excited about this, and I can't wait to see his reaction because even though I'm doing all this performance stuff for him, he has no clue how much money he owes me at the end of this. So it's gonna be kind of a shocker in both ways. Love you, Brandon. Yeah, so that's all I can tell you right now, but let's go build this thing. Wham! Coming back to you about this. Brandon Combs, the man. Check this out. Here we go. Boom. Billy's doing his favorite thing, de-badging.
De-badging, it's fun.
He loves it.
Super fun. It's not tedious at all.
He loves
Fun
it.
you can have with your pants on, I hear.
And Brandon, he said he'd do this for free for you. Oh no. Come on, guys. Mike, look what we're putting on this bad boy. Is that sexy?
I love it.
All right. Let's see what this looks like. Woo! Boom. Installed by me. Don't tell me I don't do anything around here.
Does your back hurt from carrying this place, Josh?
Need to go see the chiropractor. So anyway, like we told you guys, we're getting the Steve badge done. Mike is getting ready to put the front end together. I think they already got the back done, and Billy stayed late last night and got the intake Momentum GT by AFE in. This thing's gonna breathe a lot better. And when you're introducing air, you gotta air in, air out. So we got a nice full exhaust. The exhaust tips are currently at, this is MBRP exhaust, and the tips are currently getting powder coated gloss black over at Powder Concepts. Check those guys out, give them a like, follow. Good dudes over here do our powder coating. But yeah, we'll get the tips on this thing. Mike's gonna get the lift going here. Let's show you some of that lift kit, all right? Welcome back to the Brandon Combs build. We call this the comb truck. This was not on the original build, but he's getting side steps installed. We've done this a couple times. We've actually installed these on a lot of the newer trucks, but this is a little bit older model. I guess there's a bracket difference, huh?
A little bit of a difference. They send you some extras, you know. But really, it's pretty simple setup. Should take, you know, somebody in their garage half hour to an hour, something like that. Not too bad.
Yeah, cool. Well, yeah, these are the HDXs, guys. We're gonna show you what those look like right now.
Oh my god, you even put the thing on there? Put the cap on too? Ah, sick! Dude, that looks so ridiculous. You even put steps on? I saw you did that. I was like, you even put a cap on there? You like it? Oh my god, it's legit, bro. Wow. Oh, that's so awesome. Holy cow. Yeah, they're badass. Oh my god. You even put the pipe on?
Full exhaust,
You put the exhaust
full
on?
intake, full chip.
You did.
Stage 3.
No, you did not.
Done.
What? Are you kidding me? You did all of that? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Powder coated the exhaust tips.
Oh, there's dual exhaust now. What? In the... Oh my god. Yeah, this is legit. Real.
You like the steps?
Oh yeah, I like the steps, man. Yeah. Oh my god.
It's my favorite, man.
Oh my god, I can't believe you did all that shit. What?
That's why I needed it for 2 days.
That's why you needed it for 2 days? Oh my
got
god.
How's that emblem look,
It's
dude?
legit. I love that new emblem instead of the old.
Did you see
red
the
one.
back? And I debadged it?
I didn't even freaking. I got all caught up in everything else, bro. Oh my god. Holy cow. I didn't know you were
It's a little bit different.
just a bit.
Think so?
Oh,
Yeah,
bro.
I think you're-
I didn't know you were doing that though. Holy shit.
Both the 22 look good.
Yeah, they do. I love it. Yeah.
It did. Hey guys, everybody at home, it did not skip leg day.
That truck's got legs. And you know, as Brandon comes, truck, trucks!
Talk about a surprise. Yeah. I don't even know what to say. Except, holy shit.
Sit in it.
Oh my god. Yeah. Legit.
Tell them where they need to take their truck, bro.
What's that?
Tell them where they need to bring their truck.
SoCo. No matter what, SoCo. Come see the boys at SoCo for sure. They'll take great care of you. Oh my